Do you want me to take the group discussion or not? If you are not interested, I'll straight away mark 0.
Students are joining.
So that's what I'm asking. Please unmute yourself and speak up. Can't you speak up the answer? How many more are yet to join?
Ma'am, in the group they are writing that there are no more students to join.
So why don't you reply?
Ma'am, now only they have written this.
Your group is such a group that people don't reply at all. I'll straight away mark 0 and finish off. It's not for my benefit. Whosoever will be answering will be putting your video on. Roll number 1. Roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
I will not repeat the name. I will not repeat the roll number. I'll straight away move to the next one. You have to be attentive. Here, what's your name?
Anshul Kansal, roll number 1.
Okay. So the topic for today is what is the topic?
Angina.
Yeah.
Angina, MILPVD.
Okay. So classify anti-anginal drugs.
Okay, ma'am. Anti-anginal drug can be classified on the basis of acute angina and chronic angina. In acute angina, the drug of choice is sublingual nitrates, and in chronic angina, we have first line and second line drugs. In first line drug, there is nitrates, beta blockers, and calcium channel blockers. And in second line, we have trimetazole, Nicodil, and etc.
Which are the beta blockers and calcium channel blockers which are used here, and which are the nitrates? Can the nitrates be further classified?
Ma'am, yes, nitrates can be glyceryl trinitrate or isosorbide mononitrate and dinitrate.
Are they classified further? Subclasses of nitrates?
Ma'am, short acting and long acting?
Yes.
I'm not.
So which one are short and which one are long?
Ma'am, long acting. I don't remember, ma'am, actually what exactly was.
Which are the beta blockers which are used? Which are the calcium channel blockers?
Okay,
all
ma'am.
beta blockers are not used here.
Okay, ma'am. Among calcium channel blocker, we have amlodipine and nitrodipine used here.
What are the potassium channel openers and the other drugs, second line drugs?
Ma'am, I don't remember actually.
Okay, what is angina? How do you describe angina?
Ma'am, angina can be ST segment elevation and ST segment elevation, vasospastic angina.
So before starting the treatment, which type of classification of angina do you use for diagnosing the patient? Patient के diagnosis में लिखना पड़ेगा ना which type of angina you are diagnosing and what is the treatment to be given. So that's what I want to ask. Which angina is treated by which drugs? What are the types of angina that you can diagnose and what is the treatment for those drugs? Drug treatment for those.
Ma'am, acute and chronic के basis पे firstly तो differentiate करते हैं. Like acute में we give sublingual nitrates and then chronic angina, other drugs like CCBs, beta blockers, etc. And then vasospastic angina.
What is vasospastic angina? What are the other names of vasospastic angina and which drug is contraindicated there?
Ma'am, it is also called the Prince-Metal angina or the variant angina.
Yes. So which drugs are contraindicated?
Beta blockers are contraindicated. For example, propranolol.
What about calcium channel blockers?
Ma'am, I think calcium channel blockers are given in this angina.
Which calcium channel blocker is not used in treatment of angina? In any kind of angina? There are
Ma'am,
three classes
only
of
HP type.
CCBs, no? There are three classes of CCBs. So which one is not used?
Ma'am, in angina only dihydropyrimidine type CCBs are used, while deltazam and verapamil, they are not used.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Then you should be knowing the reason also. Firstly, you are wrong, and secondly, what is the reason for that?
And basically, they are dilators, so they can be used in vasospastic angina.
No, your answer is wrong.
I don't know.
Okay. Next roll number. Roll number 2. Is the roll number 2 present? Is the roll number 2 present? Others can please speak up whether the roll number 2 is present or not.
He's in the meeting, but he's on hold.
Sorry,
He's in the meeting, but he's on hold.
I cannot see anyone in waiting.
No, ma'am, he's in the meeting.
I don't know. Roll number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's roll number 3? Turn on your video. Keep your camera away from you. You should be visible till your elbow. Yes, which CCBs are not used in angina and why?
Calcium channel blockers are ये क्या बोलते हैं? मैम ये verapamil and deltiazam because मैम ये intense bradycardia
यूज होते हैं या नहीं होते? Keep your camera away from you. हाँ. कौन सा यूज होता है कौन सा नहीं होता? Be clear. The ones you have answered verapamil and diltiazem, are they used or are they not used?
They are not used.
They are not used. How do you classify angina? What are the various types of angina and which drug is used in which kind of angina?
Ma'am, there are 3 types of angina: stable angina, unstable, and vasospastic. Stable angina occurs when the person is normally at rest, but when on exercising or exertion, the pain occurs. In unstable angina, जब normal rest में भी pain हो, और vasospastic जब coronary के vasospasm की वजह से. In stable angina और जो first line drugs हमारा sublingual nitrates होते हैं, vasospastic के अंदर हम calcium channel blockers देते हैं, THP types.
What is the role of CCBs in vasospastic angina? How do they help? What is the mechanism of action?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is the role of calcium channel blockers in vasospastic angina? What is the mechanism? How do they help?
Calcium channel blocker THP type, they inhibit the release of calcium channel, so it decreases the muscle contraction of the coronary arteries.
Mechanism.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mechanism. What is the mechanism?
मैकेनिज्म यही होगा ना कि वो उसकी आर्टरीज को डायलेट कर देंगे, फिर वो आर्टरी कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड नहीं रहेगी, वैसोस्पास्टिक
कैसे करेंगे dilate? That's what I'm asking. Don't you have the mechanism in pharmacology? This is the action that you are telling me. This is the pharmacological action. I'm asking you the mechanism.
वो इनहिबिट कर देते हैं ना कैल्शियम रिलीज को, मसल्स के अंदर, स्मूथ मसल्स के अंदर कैल्शियम रिलीज जाता है.
Which type of channels are involved? How is
Um,
it causing muscle relaxation? That's what I'm asking you. I'm not going to repeat each and every step. You're not kids.
अच्छा मैम वो DHB टाइप रिसेप्टर होते हैं जो
Which
साइटोप्लाज्मिक
receptors?
रेटिकुलम से कैल्शियम का रिटेन करवाते
What are the receptors?
हैं DHB डाइहाइड्रोपायरिडीन रिसेप्टर
Dihydropyridine is the name of the class. Is there any receptor by dihydropyridine receptors?
नहीं पता
How do you classify nitrates and what is their pharmacological role in MI?
Nitrates are classification on the basis of short acting and long acting. Short acting is from nitrite nitro. They basically act on the फर्स्ट तो ये NO को रिलीज करते हैं, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड को रिलीज करवाते हैं नाइट्रेट्स, एंड सेकंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है।
फिर नाइट्रेट क्या करता है?
अब ये जो ये बेसिकली प्रीलोड को डिक्रीज करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से डायस्टोलिक टाइम जो होता है वो बढ़ जाता है और कोरोनरी
फर्दर कैसे करता है? नाइट्रेट आगे कैसे एक्ट करता है? आप सीधा प्रीलोड पे आ गए हो। नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड रिलीज करवा के आगे क्या होता है?
नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड रिलीज होगा तो फिर उसकी वजह से वैसोडाइलेशन होगा।
कैसे होगा? मैं वही तो पूछ रही हूँ, क्यों होगा, कैसे होगा? ठीक है, आगे क्या करता है? प्रीलोड के बारे में बोल रहे थे, आगे बोलो। What do you know about what is the action on preload and what is the further action?
जब हम प्रीलोड डिक्रीज हो जाता है तो उसकी वजह से हमारा जो डायस्टोलिक टाइम है वो बढ़ जाता है। जब डायस्टोलिक टाइम बढ़ जाएगा तो उसकी वजह से कोरोनरी ब्लड फ्लो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा।
ओके, कोरोनरी ब्लड फ्लोस व्हिच टाइप ऑफ कोरोनरी में इंक्रीज होता है? कोरोनरी स्टील फिनोमेनन भी होता है, वो नाइट्रेट्स करते हैं या नहीं करते? व्हाट इज कोरोनरी स्टील फिनोमेनन? कोरोनरीज की टाइप कौन कौन सी होती है, किसमें इंक्रीज करते हैं? व्हिच टाइप ऑफ कोरोनरीज डू दे इंक्रीज द ब्लड फ्लो? डू दे कॉज कोरोनरी स्टील फिनोमेनन? यस और नो?
हम इसके बारे में नहीं पता।
और क्या पता है इसके बारे में? व्हाट आर द एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स of nitrates?
Effects of nitrate.
Which route of administration is preferred for acute attack of angina? कैसे देते हैं एंजाइना में?
नाइट्रेट्स को ओरल दे सकते हैं, सबलिंगुअल।
एक्यूट एंजाइना में कौन से रूट से देना? उसमें एक ही रूट से देना है। दे तो बहुत सारे रूट से सकते हैं, उसमें एक ही रूट से देना है। कौन सा रूट है वो एंड व्हाई?
सबलिंगुअल।
क्यों सबलिंगुअल से क्यों देना? व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस? व्हाई वी आर गिविंग इट बाय सबलिंगुअल रूट इन एक्यूट एंजाइना?
सबलिंगुअल से इरेटिक एब्जॉर्प्शन होती है उसकी, क्योंकि
सबलिंगुअल से इरेटिक एब्जॉर्प्शन होती है। इरेटिक का मतलब क्या होता है पता है आपको? इरेटिक का मतलब क्या होता है हिंदी में? और whichever way you understand,
मतलब बहुत जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है।
उसको इरेटिक बोलते हैं। ठीक है, आगे बोलो, जो भी बोल रहे हो बोलो। It is not erratic absorption. It is something else. जल्दी absorb होता है वो ठीक है. आगे बस एक जल्दी absorb होता है, कुछ और भी है रीजन उसका.
और रीजन
ओरली कौन सा देते हैं नाइट्रेट? Which form of nitrate is given sublingually? Which form of nitrate is given orally?
isosorbide nitrate.
हाँ, कैसे देते हैं इसको? इसको कौन से रूट से देते हैं आइसोसोर्बाइड डाइनाइट्रेट को?
isosorbide डाइनाइट्रेट को मैम से ओरल से देते हैं या आईवी से?
ओरल और आईवी से देते हैं आइसोसोर्बाइड डाइनाइट्रेट को. सबलिंगुअल किसको देते हैं?
नाइट्रोग्लिसराइड को शायद.
What are the adverse effects of nitrate?
ये रिफ्लेक्स टैकीकार्डिया करवा सकता है.
क्यों करवाता है? और अदर देन रिफ्लेक्स टैकीकार्डिया और क्या क्या करता है?
और मैम नाइट्रेट्स
Okay, ask the next roll number to join. है next roll number इस लिस्ट में? देख के बताओ मुझे. Next
Yes,
कौन है
ma'am.
आपके पास? रोल नंबर कौन है नेक्स्ट?
अभिषेक मौर्य.
हाँ, उसको बोलो जो अपनी वीडियो ऑन करें. रोल नंबर 4 प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो. जाओ. 3 you can switch off your video. You can be present in the group discussion.
ओके मैम.
Roll number 4. Are you able to listen? Roll number 4. Is there roll number 4 present? What was the full name of roll number 3? Full name of roll number 3 is? Which Abhishek is it?
अभिषेक अहलावत.
Okay, and who is roll number 4? Roll number 4
Maurya.
is Abhishek Maurya. So Abhishek Maurya, do you want to answer? Or should I mark 0 and move to the next one? Next roll number 5. Roll number 5. 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's roll number 6?
Ma'am,
Please turn on your video. Turn on your video. You are? What is your name?
Achintra Stogi.
Roll number 6. You're 6 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the adverse effects of nitrates?
Ma'am, esophageal spasm.
Esophageal spasm. Can they
ma'am.
cause esophageal spasm? Or they are used in esophageal spasm?
Ma'am, I don't remember, ma'am. I had written in the note that it has something related to esophageal spasm.
It is the treatment of esophageal spasm, not the adverse effect. What are the adverse effects of nitrates? Because it is the first line drug in angina, so you should know what are the adverse effects. Because you cannot skip this drug.
Ma'am, hypotension.
Hypotension, not significant. That happens only in overdose or toxicity. 1 he had already answered the previous roll number. That is roll number 3. It depends upon its mechanism of action. उसके एक्शन पे फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन का एक्सटेंशन है.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Is there any new drug in this category? Nitrates में. What are the interactions of nitrates with any of the drugs that you know? See, what do you want to answer? Have you read anything? Instead of wasting the time, I can directly give you choice. What have you read? What do you know? What do you want to answer?
Ma'am, I only know the basics.
So I am not asking you very hi-fi questions. It is from your direct questions from your KDT. Is it not a basic question? Do you don't write the adverse effects in your theory exam? Do you don't write the interactions?
Yes, ma'am, we
No?
write. Ma'am, we
Then-
write. Yes, ma'am.
So is it not the basic that you are saying that I have read only the basic? Is it a postgraduate level thing that I'm asking you?
No, ma'am.
Then what else do you want to answer other than this? I have given you choice also, so that we don't waste the time. What else do you want to answer? If you have read, tell me what you have read.
Ma'am, I've read about, ma'am, CHF.
See, right now we are discussing about angina. So in the once I complete this round of angina, only then I can come back to CHF. I cannot directly ask you CHF in between the angina. I hope you
I know the
understand that.
coronary steel phenomena. I know that, ma'am.
What is coronary steel phenomenon?
हम कोरोनरी स्टील फिनोमेना में होता है कि अगर हम मतलब ब्लड वेसल डायलेटर देते हैं तो जो ब्लॉक्ड आर्टरी होती है वो तो डायलेट नहीं करती, उसके साथ जो ब्रांचिंग आर्टरी होती है जो नॉर्मल होती है वो ज्यादा डायलेट कर जाती है, तो जो सारा ब्लड है वो दूसरी तरफ डायरेक्ट हो जाता है और जो इस्केमिक एरिया होता है
two kinds of coronaries that go in the heart. जो आप ब्रांचिंग और वो बोल रहे हैं उनका नाम कुछ और है. वो तो ब्रांच में भी हो सकता है ब्लॉक. तो आप कह रहे हो कि सिर्फ ब्लॉक्ड आर्टरी डायलेट नहीं होती. ब्लॉक तो कोई भी हो सकती है, मेजर आर्टरी भी हो सकती है, माइनर वाली भी हो सकती है, ब्रांच भी हो सकती है. In fact, branches are more liable to be getting blocked because they are narrower.
मैम ब्रांच मैम अगर किसी ब्लड वेसल की मतलब मेन आर्टरी की जैसे लेफ्ट कोरोनरी आर्टरी की 2 ब्रांचेस हैं और उनमें से दोनों में से एक ब्लॉक हो गई है, तो जो दूसरी वाली होगी अगर वो दूसरी वाली नॉर्मल है तो ज्यादा डायलेट कर जाएगी और सारा ब्लड उस तरफ चला जाएगा, तो इस्केमिक एरिया और ज्यादा इस्केमिक हो जाता है.
Which drug causes coronary steel phenomenon?
MDHPs.
DHPs? No. It is about the epicardial vessels and endocardial vessels, or the penetrating vessels. What you are talking about, and it is certainly not with DHPs. What do nitrates do? Do they cause coronary steel phenomenon? Yes or no, and why?
Yes, ma'am, they do.
You are saying CCBs or DHPs cause that. You are saying nitrates cause that.
Ma'am, DHPs cause that.
No, DHPs don't cause the coronary steel phenomenon. Anything you know about nitrates which has not been told till now? What are the adverse effects? What are the interactions? How do we minimize the interactions? Is there a newer drug which causes less of adverse effects as compared to the prototype drugs? Next roll number. Next roll number. Who's roll number 7?
Ma'am, Adarsh Modi.
Is he present? Roll number 7.
No, ma'am, I can't see him on the screen.
Who's 8? Who's next roll number?
Aditya Barua.
Is that person present? Ask everyone to remain in the discussion because we'll be coming back after this topic for the CHF to everyone. So don't exit the meeting. Roll number 9. Roll number 9. Roll number 9, Aditya. See, all those who are not answering will be marked absent. Roll number 9, roll number 10. Roll number 10.
Yeah. हाँ
Roll number 11. Roll number 11. Roll number 12. Roll number 12.
हेलो बगिया तू
I think roll number 12 is present.
क्या
Agastya. Roll number 12.
पढ़ना पड़ेगा
Achint, please mute yourself. Roll number 12. Agastya.
बताया मेरे को पता नहीं ये टेस्ट होने वाला है और ये एचडी के नाम पे टेस्ट कैसे
Roll number 6. Mute yourself.
सॉरी मैम
Roll number 12. Agastya. Are you present or not? Roll number 13. Ajay, you are also present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's
Turn
network
on your
problem.
video.
Sorry. Okay, ma'am. Am I visible now, ma'am?
Yeah, so please keep the camera slightly away from you so that you are visible till your arm level, till your elbow. So what are the adverse effects of nitrates?
Ma'am, I know a little bit about that, ma'am. Like, because they mostly do vasodilation. तो vasodilation से रिलेटेड होते हैं जैसे मैम हेडेक और मैम डिजीनेस होती है नोजिया फील होता है या फिर वीकनेस हो जाती है पर्सन को मैम vasodilation की और ये वीकनेस का एक होता है क्योंकि जो नाइट्रेट्स है वो ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी को भी थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं सिग्निफिकेंट लूज तो नहीं होता मैम लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत उसमें चेंज दिखता है कि भाई जो ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी है वो कम हो गई है और मैम इतना ही पता था मैम थोड़ा
Any pharmacodynamic parameter that gets affected here? Any pharmacodynamics happening here with regard to the dose that you have to take after continued treatment with nitrates?
मैम ज्यादा डोज पे मैम एक्चुअली मैम I have not read the complete
Is there
topic.
something called drug-free period that is given in nitrates and why?
Ma'am, I don't know too much about the topic, ma'am. I'm at funeral of a relative, so I haven't read the topic yet.
Okay. Any drug interactions?
No, ma'am. I'm away from the town since 7 days.
Any other class of
Ma'am,
drugs?
that much I have told about it.
Any other class of drugs from angina that you know?
Ma'am, I don't know too much, but I know a little bit examples of anti-anginal drugs. I only know examples. Ma'am.
So what do you mean by examples? It is not examples. It is either the classification which we have already taken up.
Like beta blockers, including beta blockers. I haven't read the topic, ma'am, actually.
Okay. Rule number 14. Don't leave the meeting. You will be present
Okay,
in the
ma'am,
meeting.
14 is not here.
14 is not there. 15. Roll number 15, is it there? Roll number 15. Roll number 16.
Ma'am, till roll number 21, no one is present.
Okay. Who's roll number 20? 20 is present or absent?
Ma'am, absent. 21 is present.
21 is. Please turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 21.
Yes, you are. What's your full name? Aniket.
Aniket Modak. Aniket Modak.
Maurya.
Modak. M-O-D-A-K.
Modak. Okay. So, what is this drug-free period with nitrates? And
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the drug-free period is nitrates is basically with regard to the tolerance that we develop For example, if you are giving a long-acting nitrate to somebody for the like prophylaxis of, to prevent a next attack of angina, suppose we give it like 3 times or 4 times a day, so we need to skip one